Okay, in this video we are going to talk about the backspace character. So let's say we have a string. So let's create a string named name. So name equal, let's type my name, Sandhu. So I have written my name within inverted commas. So suppose you need to erase the last character of this name. So if I print this, you can directly print name. So once you print this one, and let me run this, so it appears as plain text. So suppose you want to erase a character from this text. To do that, we can use something called a back, and we can use something called an escape character. So in order to use an escape character, what you have to do is like you can type. So let me show you an example. So we can remodify, we can say modified name equal, let's say within inverted commas I will type backward slash t, which means step. So and plus you can type the variable name. Because it is a string, we can use this directly, otherwise we can't use this directly. So we have a modified name. So it means that before starting this text, tab this text. So if I print the modified name now, so let me run this using shortcut key shift plus F10. You can notice that the second modified text is now uh, tabbed. It has a single tab. So if I again use another slash t, means that we have tabbed this 2 times. So now you can see that the indentation increased by 2 times. So similar way we can use some other characters, back where escape characters, to manipulate this kind of text. So let me show you an example. So let me clear these things. Okay, okay, just erasing the front part. So we have the name variable, which is of the type string, and plus suppose you need to erase the last letter, which is n. So we can do that by using an backspace escape character. So in inverted commas you can type backslash uh, and you can type b, which means erase the last character. So last character is n, so it will erase the last character. So you can run this, and now you can see that it has erased the last character. So similar way, if you use slash p slash 3 times, 3 letters will be erased. So if I run this now, you can see that it only contains 3 letters. So this type of string formatting might be very useful for you. So this is the way how we can use this slash backspace character. So there are other characters as well. Suppose there is some character name slash okay, let's say slash in, which means that go to a new line, and you can type any text here again. So here we are in a new line. So it means that after erasing this, go to a new line and then print this text. So if I run this now, you can see the sun, and here we are in a new line. So in that way we can uh, use this back escape character. So here you can even tab this. So to tab this, and here you will notice that there's a space because we have kept the space purposely. So if we erase this and run this, then there will be no space. So be careful about spacing between the words. So you can actually tab and tab and tab And if I run this now, you can see this, it's tabbed. And also you can break in between text, like use text slash and in, and it will split in between via I and in the new line. So in this way we manage to separate between those characters. So this is how we simply use some escape characters to manipulate this text. So there are other escape characters as well. You can always google them on google them and find more information. So thank you very much for watching.